Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to give you an update on the vertical barrel organic system. Alright, so these are the pop choys on the side and the tomatoes here. Looking lovely, bearing. Irrigation system here. 116 holes are placed in them, work perfectly well, and this is a ginger, so the system can grow ginger. This has been working very nice, guys. This one needs to trellis and this one needs to trellis. This is a butterfly laying egg on the pop choy. This needs trellising. Look at these callaloo, guys. Cow tongue in the drum. Excellent. That's its drip system here. Alright, the callaloo here need to do further trellising. I have an idea of how to trellis these, and the drum seems to work with tomatoes very good. Look at these pop choy, guys. These are like over a pound growing in the drum. It's pop choy. The drum, as I said, it's an hydroponic system in that water will be collected from this pipe. All of them will be collected and then we will run them to a catchment drum where we pump the water to fertilize them. This, the trellising system for this, we use wires to hold them. It needs some more wires, so we're going to put some more here. Like for this, we're going to wire it and then put up another trellis on top. As soon as we've done that, I will give you the update. So thanks for viewing, guys. This system works, so keep watching. We are always going to give you all of those videos that deals with innovation. Thank you.